Well, the Border Gavaskar Trophy is getting spicier day by day. We all saw what happened on day one of the Boxing Day test, which was the fourth test of the ongoing Border Gavaskar Trophy. Virat Kohli bumped his shoulder into a youngster, a debutant Sam Constance, who played brilliantly in his debut test match. It happened in the 10th over of the Australian innings जब विराट कोहली अपनी जो पिच है उसको क्रॉस कर रहे थे, तो instead of going straight he went towards Sam. He slammed his shoulder into Sam Constance, and there were a lot of reaction to this that went viral on social media. That clip, images of that went viral on social media. Many former Australian cricketers and many former Indian cricketers for that matter, many cricket experts, they reacted to it. They were unhappy with that and they were expecting a serious fine. Virat Kohli was reprimanded by the ICC. He was fined 20% of his match fee और एक demerit point भी उनको मिला. But there was one reaction that everybody was waiting for, and they knew that this reaction will be over the top. It will be very hard hitting, and that was of the Australian media. Now, Australian media plays a huge role whenever there is a test series in Australia. They are sort of a 12th man to the Australian cricket team. We all remember what happened just a few days back when Virat Kohli landed in Melbourne. He had a sort of a heated discussion with a journalist at the airport who was apparently recording his family without his permission. After that, we all saw what Australian media did with Ravindra Jadeja and the Indian team's media manager, where they blamed them for not answering questions in English, not taking English questions in the press conference at the MCG. So ये बहुत टाइम से चल रहा था, लेकिन now Australian media has stopped everything. एक ऐसी चीज़ करी है जो फिर से सोशल मीडिया पे वायरल हो गया, and that is a newspaper clipping of Virat Kohli. The newspaper is the West Australian. उसके बैक पेज पे, स्पोर्ट्स पेज पे, there is a huge photo of Virat Kohli with a red ball on his nose, and नीचे बड़ा बड़ा लिखा है clown Kohli. Yes, an Australian newspaper has called Virat Kohli a clown, और उसके नीचे उन्होंने एक slug दिया है. slug में लिखा है Indian sook slammed for pathetic bump in teens dream test debut. अब इसमें जो वर्ड है ना, सेकेंड वर्ड sook, उसका मतलब ये है someone who is a coward, and this is used specially for someone who's very young or a cry baby. So ये जो terminology है ना, ये जो words use किए हैं, these were very deliberately used, and this has not gone down with the fans, because they said that we agree as Indian fans that what Virat has done is wrong, but there are certain journalistic ethics that a newspaper should follow, and that has not been followed by the West Australian newspaper in Australia. Well, this was expected. Australian media, as I said, they are the 12th man of the team. They often react over the top. They play huge mind games, and and this is not just in the Border Gavaskar Trophy. Any team, especially the Ashes, whenever England visits Australia, they make sure that their coverage is very strong and very hard hitting, and the newspaper articles are always hard hitting. But this photo of Virat Kohli with a red ball on his nose with clown Kohli written at the bottom has gone viral on social media. It is everywhere. The fans are reacting to it. The cricket experts, former cricketers are reacting to it. What are your thoughts on this? Do write to us in the comment section down below. Was it in good taste, or do you also believe that that certain particular newspaper has crossed the journalistic ethics and it was not right on their part to call Virat Kohli a clown?